Hello, first graders. Today is Tuesday, August 25th, and I want to show you how to do your Math Canvas assignment for today. The first thing you need to do is log into Canvas and click the blue button for Math, and that will take you right here to the home screen, the home page. All right, we'll scroll down the home page to the bottom, and you'll click on the blue circle at the bottom that says Enter Here. That will bring us to the calendar page. You'll scroll down till you see today's date, which is August 25th. When you find today's date, August 25th, with the banana, you will click the green box. All right, and we are going to get started with the first activity that is called Convince Me. So we'll click on it. All right, now you can play up here to listen to the directions. The directions say show 4 cars and 2 cars. How many cars are there? So you have some connecting cubes here to help you. Again, all you need to do to use the connecting cubes is pull them over, and they will automatically connect as you pull them towards each other. All right. So now it says down here, show 2 cars and 4 cars. How many cars are there? What do you notice? And we're going to, after you answer that, you're going to click Next. All right, we're now on the Lesson 1-2 practice assignment. The instructions say, these questions are designed to help you practice content learning during today's lesson. You can use your tools or pictures to help you answer the questions. If you need to hear those directions again, you can press play. You have your connecting cubes and you have your counters that you can use to help you solve the problems in the quiz. So when you get underneath the math tools, you're going to click Take Quiz. And here's question number 1. If you press this blue arrow right here, it will read it to you. Adam has 2 dogs and 3 cats. How many pets does Adam have? You need to look at all 4 choices and choose the best one and click the bubble. When you chose an answer, you click Next. And then you scroll down to see question number 2. If you want to hear question number 2 read to you, you press the blue arrow. The question says, Sarah has 3 yellow flowers and 4 blue flowers. How many flowers does Sarah have? You scroll down and you have 4 choices. You choose the best answer and you click on the bubble. You can use your connecting cubes, counters, or draw a picture to solve. When you're done solving, you click Next and move on to question number 3. You'll scroll down till you find question number 3. You can click the blue arrow box to hear the question. The question says, 5 turtles and 3 frogs were sitting on the log. How many animals were on the log? Again, use your math tools, either the connecting cubes or the counters, or you can draw a picture to solve the problem. Once you solve the problem, choose the best equation, click on the bubble, and then click Next. We are on question number 4 now. You scroll down to question number 4. You can click the blue arrow to hear the equation, or to hear the problem, which says, which equation matches the picture? So you look carefully at the picture, and you will find the equation that matches it. When you found the equation, go ahead and click the bubble. Then you're going to click Next, and you're ready for the last question. Question number 5 says, 3 red leaves were on the branch. 4 orange leaves were on the branch. How many leaves were on the branch? You can listen to that question again by clicking the blue box. Now notice, boys and girls, there's no pictures, so you may want to use your counters cubes or draw a picture. When you found the best answer, click on the bubble, and then you're ready to submit the quiz. And boys and girls, it would show you how you did on your quiz. All right, after you're done with your quiz, you're going to click Next and go to the next part, which is Math Workshop. Boys and girls, during Math Workshop today, you are going to complete pages 10, 11, and 12 in your math workbook. You are also going to do Dreambox for 20 minutes. And there's a video in the fluency box for you to watch to help your math fluency. You click on the fluency link, and it will take you right in to the video. You'll click on the video and watch a video. When you've completed all of your activities in the math workshop, you'll click Next. And now it's time to submit workbook page 11. I only need to see workbook page 11 today. So you'll click Submit, and you will go through the steps to submit your workbook page. So after completing workbook page 11, submit this page by following these steps. There's also a video under the directions right here that you can press play and watch, and it will give you step-by-step directions on how to upload the picture of your child's workbook. First, you press the blue Submit Assignment button. Then choose Camera. When the camera opens, take a picture of the page. Now click the blue Submit at the bottom of the box. You will know it is finished uploading when you see the confetti. And when you're done, you'll click Next. And congratulations! You're now complete with lesson 1-2. Way to go, boys and girls!